NeuroGov Plus Cockpit for Manufacturing Unit. Governed Manufacturing Intelligence with IGA 2026. The NeuroGov Plus Manufacturing Cockpit is a next-generation governed AI platform designed to transform traditional manufacturing operations into intelligent, policy-driven, audit-ready enterprise ecosystems. Built on the IGA 2026 architecture, Manufacturing Governance Sankey. Manufacturing Governance Sankey. NeuroGov Plus, IGA 2026, Governed Manufacturing Intelligence Flow. The Manufacturing Governance Sankey diagram represents the complete operational intelligence lifecycle inside the NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, governance architecture. It visually explains how raw manufacturing data flows through the inform, govern, and assure layers under the IGA 2026 framework, transforming ordinary production information into governed, auditable, enterprise-grade decision intelligence. Unlike traditional dashboards that only display operational metrics, this Sankey demonstrates controlled governance movement from intelligence generation to accountable execution. The process begins with multiple manufacturing data sources entering the system. ERP data, IoT devices, production systems, quality management systems, maintenance records, energy metrics, and operational workflows continuously generate enterprise information. These sources represent the foundational operational intelligence layer of the manufacturing ecosystem. NeuroGov Plus captures these streams in real time, ensuring that manufacturing intelligence is continuously updated and available for governance evaluation. All operational data enters the Inform Intelligence layer, where the 3D, 10D AI/DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, transforms raw manufacturing records into structured intelligence. This layer performs AI/AGI forecasting, RMSE analysis, trend evaluation, operational pattern recognition, scenario simulation, sustainability analysis, and contextual manufacturing intelligence generation. At this stage, AI generates intelligence but does not possess authority to execute manufacturing decisions independently. The Sankey then shows the transition from inform into the RMSE/forecast layer, where prediction stability and operational reliability are evaluated. RMSE becomes a critical governance signal because it measures the reliability of manufacturing intelligence before decisions are approved. NeuroGov Plus ensures that unstable or risky predictions do not directly influence production execution without governance review. The next major governance component is Analyzer 1.0, positioned inside the Govern layer. This is the core enterprise decision engine of NeuroGov Plus. Analyzer 1.0 evaluates KPI, TSI, OSI, RMSE, operational risk, policy alignment, sustainability thresholds, and enterprise governance rules. This evaluation determines whether manufacturing intelligence should move forward toward controlled authority or be restricted due to operational risk, compliance issues, or instability. The Sankey flow then reaches the decision gate, one of the most important governance boundaries in the entire architecture. The decision gate converts manufacturing intelligence into enterprise authority using four controlled governance outcomes: allow, condition, hold, block. This is where NeuroGov Plus separates itself from traditional AI systems. AI intelligence alone cannot execute production actions. Governance authority must first validate operational safety, compliance readiness, policy alignment, and enterprise accountability. After governance approval, the flow enters the DSS recommendation layer, where controlled management advice is generated for manufacturing leadership teams. NeuroGov Plus produces structured recommendations related to downtime reduction, preventive maintenance, production optimization, energy efficiency, quality governance, ESG alignment, workforce coordination, and operational improvement planning. This transforms the cockpit into an active governance-driven decision support system rather than a passive reporting interface. The Sankey then progresses into the action tracker and evidence layers, where enterprise accountability becomes visible. Every approved action is recorded, assigned, monitored, and linked to operational evidence. Images, videos, documents, audit observations, maintenance records, quality deviations, compliance files, and governance actions are stored inside the Assure architecture. This creates a fully traceable manufacturing governance ecosystem capable of supporting enterprise audits and compliance validation. The final stage of the Sankey reaches the reports dashboard and audit log, where all governed decisions become enterprise-ready reporting intelligence. The system produces compliance reports, governance summaries, operational dashboards, audit evidence, DSS outcomes, and management intelligence. This ensures that every manufacturing decision can be traced back to its original data source. The policy rules applied. The Analyzer 1.0 evaluation. The governance decision. And the evidence supporting execution. One of the most important messages communicated by the Sankey is the separation between intelligence and authority. Inside NeuroGov+, Inform generates intelligence. Govern validates authority. Assure guarantees accountability. This governance separation ensures that AI remains controlled, explainable, auditable, and enterprise safe. The Sankey therefore becomes not only a data flow diagram but a governance blueprint for the future of Industry 5.0 manufacturing systems. Summary. The Manufacturing Governance Sankey visually demonstrates how NeuroGov+, advanced AI, transforms raw manufacturing data into governed enterprise decisions under the IGA 2026 architecture. Through the Inform rightward arrow Govern rightward arrow Assure process flow, manufacturing intelligence is generated, validated, controlled, audited, and transformed into accountable operational execution. The Sankey integrates ERP, IoT, production, quality, maintenance, energy, Analyzer 1.0, policy engine, DSS guidance, audit evidence, and reporting governance within one unified enterprise manufacturing architecture. Power summary. Traditional manufacturing systems move data. NeuroGov+ governs intelligence. In this Sankey, AI generates intelligence in Inform. Analyzer 1.0 grants authority in Govern. Assure proves accountability through evidence and audit. The result is a governed manufacturing ecosystem where decisions are controlled, operations are traceable, compliance is visible, and enterprise trust is continuously maintained. This Sankey represents the future of governed manufacturing intelligence under the IGA 2026 framework. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, inventor and architect, NeuroGov+ Analyzer 1.0 IGA 2026 3D, 10D AIDNN engine, Cognitive Cube. This NeuroGov+ manufacturing cockpit transforms traditional manufacturing dashboards into governed enterprise decision systems. It combines AI intelligence generation, Analyzer 1.0 governance, policy validation, KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI evaluation, RMSE stability, sustainability governance, and audit assurance into one unified platform. Management teams receive controlled recommendations instead of uncontrolled AI predictions.